Aurora Foretels. This is the monthly forecast for Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces for February 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. To hear monthly updates and more oracle readings, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Get the latest updates from Aurora Foretels. In this reading, we will cover how 2021 would be for each of the zodiac. I have 3 cards laid out over here, which will highlight the messages for this month. I will also be taking out one more guidance card from Sacred Traveler Oracle deck by Dennis Lin. So let's start the reading for Capricorn. So we have Tower as the first card. You may have some kind of an emotional meltdown or anger issues you would be dealing with, or you may be in a situation which you would be probably handling in a very aggressive manner, or probably which may just shake your foundation. With 4 of Cups, try not to act impulsively or aggressively. With 4 of Cups, you may be acting a bit self-contained or even aloof. So be mindful of others' feelings in a situation which could be unpleasant. And also don't shut yourself down after an unpleasant experience. Also do drive responsibly and be cautious of any accident. Let's come to the next card. We have 4 of Cups here. You are feeling impatient and dissatisfied with your current status. You are feeling a bit flat and uninspired. With Star next to this card, you're feeling very unappreciated and unacknowledged. And you feel that you're not getting that recognition that you deserve for the efforts that you've made. Some of you must be, in general, just getting bored of a routine and a mundane life. Also, some of you may also not be in talking terms with any of your friends or family member or partner, or even trying to stay detached at work front. Let's move to the next card. So we have a Star over here. So looks like you might be experiencing quiet after the storm. You would be feeling positive after a difficult time. No matter what is going in your life right now, no matter how difficult it might be, don't give up hope. So the Star over here is telling you that you will have that chance to begin something brand new and something which is going to be very close to your heart. You will find that peace and rejuvenation that would heal the painful incident that you must have recently gone through. So allow yourself to heal completely by letting go of any past hurts. Only then you would be able to move forward and fulfill your dreams. If you're single, you would be attracting somebody very charismatic and it would be an instant connection. If you are in a relationship, this will be a time of healing past wounds and rejuvenating your partnership. From career perspective, you would be able to lay new foundations to achieve your dreams. So there is new hope coming in. There are new opportunities coming your way. If you're looking for a new job, it's surely around the corner. So let's take out an oracle card from the deck. We have Fogged In over here. The message is go slow, take time. After seeing this card, I definitely resonated back to any kind of accident. So please do drive carefully, especially in a snow or a foggy area. This card also means that some of you are unable to see things around you. Somehow this fog also hints that you're unable to understand other people's point of view. Or you may even miss an opportunity because you are not able to comprehend clearly. With 4 of Cups, you are lost in your own state. So give yourself time to heal and rejuvenate. Also do get yourself tested for any kind of deficiencies that you may have. we have Three of Wands over here. Three of Wands represent freedom, travel. Some of you may be moving abroad. This month, the effort that you've put in and the hard work that you've put in will pay off, and you would be happy with the choices that you've made in life. The card also signifies forward planning, growth, and expansion. So, if you're in business, this is definitely a good month to think about expansion plans. Some of you may be even shifting to a different country. Some of you may be planning romantic holidays. For some of you, it could mean a long distance relationship starting this month. With Page of Wands in the spread, you would be gifted to see the big picture that would help you succeed. So now let's move to Page of Wands. With Three of Wands in the spread, some of you may be even starting their own new venture, or it could even mean a creative idea in an inception stage. If you're expecting any message, it's landing soon. And yes, it's most likely to be positive. For those who have children and who are looking to go for further studies, they're all set to start their journey in a new college, probably in a new country or in a new city. And if it is the time to make the choice between the two colleges, you may choose the one which is far from your home. Let's move to the next card. We have Ten of Wands over here. With so much going on for you in Feb, be prepared to handle it well. You may feel alone carrying this work and responsibilities. So make sure that you have necessary resources to manage the load. And also be sure that you aren't putting all your eggs in one basket. From health perspective, do take care of a nagging back problem. At relationship front, I see some of you may be facing challenges due to trivial matters. So talk it out rather than shoving it under the carpet. Also, last week of this month may come up with some extra surprise work. So be prepared and manage your time well. Let's take out the oracle cards from the deck. Message out here is walk in beauty. Beautiful message. So in this hectic day-to-day life, we surely miss out enjoying the beauty around us. And this month specifically being hectic for you, you should take time to enjoy little things and moments in your life. Spend some time enjoying the nature and even try to reflect upon your inner beauty and strength. We have Three of Cups over here. Fun social times for you in the beginning of the month. Some of you may be having a reason to celebrate, as you may hear some good news in the beginning of the month. You would be feeling more optimistic and upbeat about life. At work, for some of you, it could also mean a team celebration. There could be a celebration after a successful launch or a completion of a project. For singles, you may meet someone in a social gathering at the beginning of this month. Those in relationship may decide to make it official. Then we have Four of Pentacles over here. Some of you may feel terribly blocked from making progress in life. Do you feel that someone is standing in your way, or that they won't back down on an issue and refuse to compromise? Some of you may be even holding on to a situation or a position that no longer serves their best interest. Maybe it's time to let go. You may be fearing change at this point of time, but clinging on to things which don't work may not help you either. It would also mean that this month would also be a good time to get rid of a nagging habit that doesn't work for you. Some of you would be feeling a little insecure where it comes to money. If you are waiting for any legal decision, it may come in your favor. Believe in divine justice and do good deeds. This is also probably a good time to do some bit of charity in terms of not necessarily money, but even engaging yourself with a cause that could help others. That could be teaching underprivileged kids, feeding the homeless, or whatever cause is close to your heart. With Four of Cups in your spread, it also seems that you are closing yourself and building walls around you. Looks like you're not receptive to any call for encouragement, or even if someone is trying to help you out. Let's see what the next card highlights. So, with Four of Cups, you are a little low in energy this month, specifically the last 20 days of this month. You could be brooding, lost in your own world, and wanting to shut yourself off. Some of you would want to just be alone by yourself and your thoughts. It would also mean that you would shun invitations or would not be willing to contact your friends or family. Some of you are very social people, but your friends must be wondering in which world are you really living in at this moment. But I totally get it because there is a great sense of discontent within you. And you need to find out where it is coming from. If you are in a relationship, for some of you, you may be taking things for granted and everything probably would be becoming too predictable and stale. So, a little effort in maintaining the relationship would really help so that you don't drift apart. If you are single, you may be shunning out proposals. You may be too preoccupied thinking about the previous relationship that did not work for you. Or you may be just disinterested because you are just too lost in your life at this point of time. So let's see what is the guidance coming from the Oracle card. We have solitude here. The message over here, in this rushed life, we are in a hurry to move from one peak to the next, from one responsibility to the next. And in this hectic, chaotic life, we feel that we've detached ourselves from the real purpose. With Four of Cups energy, it is good to take that time out. So take deep, slow breaths. Imagine you're inhaling the vitality that you need now and exhaling all that is not needed. Affirm that all is well. Cut across all the chatter, the surround noise, and the chaos that's around you to clear your state of mind. So that's all in your reading for this month. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretells for updates. Thank you. Much love.